outside of ETG's facility in Wellesbourne, and it has just been pouring down with rain. Graeme, what made you bring me outside here?
Well, I mean, whatever the weather, Lyndsey, we can always say the sun is always shining on ETG, so
Yes.
we're happy and things are going well.
Okay, so not that long ago, I was in the showroom. We were talking about the Bavius machine, but now there's a big space in the showroom. What's happened?
Yeah, great things are happening. I mean, obviously coming back into the company, my responsibility was to look at the bigger projects and working with Chiron and Bavius. And pleased to say, working as a team, working with our local guys, we've been able to find a home for our Bavius in the showroom. So we're quite excited about it.
And then the wind as well is brilliant. So tell me the story, what's happened here?
Yeah, I mean, obviously, as you know, we've been doing some various marketing. We were planning to do a big seminar on the machine prior to lockdown. And obviously coming out the back of lockdown, following up on all of our projects and things, we've managed to find a very good home for it, which is going to be doing some very exciting jobs.